Good morning to everyone. Let's see who we have here. Good morning, Tony Gold. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Dozy Gamer. Good morning, Maggie. Good morning, Victor. Good morning, Brian. All right. So we're gonna kick today off with AJ. Just give me a second, guys. While we're waiting, let's have some music playing. Hopefully, this music is not gonna trip today. Just give me a second here, guys. Good morning, Yvonne. I got a surprise for you guys today. You guys will see it. It's actually a pair that I don't. It's not that I really don't trade it, but I got a love and hate relationship with it. Most of you probably know. Rohan said gold. Rohan was on it. Yes, so we probably gonna be taking a look at gold today. Probably, maybe. You just took good buys? Yeah, I saw you too, but I was too late to the party, so you know, when you're too late, there's no point of you taking it. You just gotta wait for, wait for another entry. That's all you gotta do. All right. Um, I hope the music is not too loud. I don't think so. All right. So looking at AJ here, we got buys above closure here at 94, 400. And then, sorry about yesterday, guys. As soon as I called out the EJ sales on the live stream yesterday, my internet just freaking got disconnected. Like it just went off. Um, Hopefully it's not gonna do that today. But how many of you took that EJ sales right before the internet went off? Um, because it was a good trade yesterday. All right, so then we have sales below this support right here on AJ. So we're gonna see how that goes here with AJ. So we got buys above closure here, above 94, 400. Sales below this support here. Mozart, that's one pair that I definitely do not trade at all. USD CAD, I do not trade that pair. All right, looking at AJ, we got this resistance here at 137,900. So buys above 137,900 on EJ. Looking at EJ, actually we could take quick sales below 137,700. That's like we did yesterday. Because if you look here to the right here at 137,700, we got nothing but resistance and support. Then we got resistance again. So it is a zone that we can take sales once we break below 137,700. So it should be a good sell back to 137,300 or even 137,100. We have 137,100 here and we got 137,300 here. So we'll see if we actually gonna continue bullish here. So sales below closure right there. And we got more sales below 137,100. All right. Good morning, Paul. Paul, you can actually try using Hanko Trade. You can use the link down below in the description as well. Good morning, Ekine. All right, GJ, good old freaking GJ. Honestly, looking at GJ, I actually won't be buying GJ until we break above 163,800. except if we have a very good risk to reward here above if we have a good risk to reward above 163,400, then I would consider taking buys from there. If not, I'm going to have to wait until we close above 163,800. So we'll see what happens with that. So buys above closure. Alright, and we got sales below 162,600. How long have I been trading with this breakthrough strategy? Probably 3 or 4 years now. Before I knew about any other strategy, the first strategy I knew about was breakthrough, which is breakouts. Oh, Anchor Trade doesn't allow UK users. Are you sure? Are you sure? Ah, you said I'm not playing tonight. He's taking them pips no matter what. Yes, I'm taking those pips. No, we're taking those pips no matter what. Just because we have all these pairs here doesn't mean obviously that we're gonna freaking take every single one of them. So UJ buys above 135, 100. We'll see. Alright. Gold. If gold closes above 1790, depending on how it closes, there could be buys above 1790. If not, then it's gonna be above 1794. So just gotta see how it's gonna close. If it closes above 1790, and sells below 1784. then you got more buys above 17.94.
I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. People pulling up on call.
Good morning, H. Good morning, Andy. Yo.
I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. You know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab with the winner.
So we got about an hour for London session. So we'll see what happens.
Now I'm paid by the sentence, taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I can get some butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Send you in a text voice note or an emoji, waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere.
Alright.
And we could keep the pace on slow.
How you say perfect good analysis. Thank you, Mr. Grandtime. We'll see what it does though. We will see what God is gonna do. We shall see what Mr. Gold wants to do. How is that? Do I know Roger Banks? We trade the same way almost. I mean, of course, I don't know Roger Banks personally, but if you in this Forex industry and you don't know who Roger Banks is, you're absolutely, definitely a beginner. I don't know him personally, but of course, I do know who Roger Banks is. I don't know if we probably do. He trade breakouts. I trade breakouts. Um, it takes break and retest. I take break and retest. Um, it takes, supply and demand setup. I do that too. Um, he trade price action. I trade price action. The only thing that I do know for sure that we do differently is when it comes to marking up our zones. That's one thing I do know we do differently. Most people you will see on YouTube, when they mark up their zones, they use the body. I use the wick. I use the wick of the candle. Because, in my own opinion, using the wick of the candle is just simply better because at one point in time, price got to that level price go to that level, it just didn't close at that level. So most of the time, if price is gonna reject, it's gonna either get to that same previous week and then reject off of that same week, or fill up that week, then reject and start doing whatever it wants to do. So I prefer using the wick of the candle. Right now, this rejection we're seeing on gold, if I should move this down, it should probably be rejecting off of the body. You see? So it's rejecting off of the body, right? But you see, it's rejecting off of the body. But I like to use the wick of the candle. Mostly because I mark up my zones on the 4 hour. You have $100 on your MT4 account. Of course, you can grow it. J Smith, I mark up my zones on the 4 hour and I trade on the 30-minute time frame. I do take entries on the 15-minute time frame as well, but 99.9% of my entries are always on the 30-minute time frame. I hope that answered your question, J Smith. Yeah, Mozart. Yeah, I mean, you can start with $100. It's definitely possible to grow $100. I've grown $100 to um, I think to 1,300 in a week before. $100. I've grown it to 1,300 in a week before. So it is possible to start with $100. But I'm not saying you should try and do the same though. I'm not saying you should try and grow your $100 to 1,300 in 1 week. You can just start slow, slowly compound your account, and always take withdrawals. Even if by the end of the week you only made $200, you still made money. You should pat yourself in the back. You did a very great job because you just doubled your account. You just doubled your account from $100 to $200. Now what you can do is now you can withdraw your initial deposit, which was $100. Now you don't have any more investment in your account anymore because you got your investment back. So anything you're doing after that is pure profits. So you just focus on that. J Smith, you can just go to the 4 hour time frame and use the 4 hour time frame to find your support and resistance zones. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. J Smith, I look at the 30 minutes. In some cases, I will go to the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame And the only time I do that is if I'm looking to take a bullish flip or a bearish flip, and I couldn't take it on the 30 minute, then I will go to the 1 hour or the 4 hour, and then I will take those trades. I'll take my entries on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. No bank will give you what? So looking at gold, if we do break below, what's this right here? If we do break below 1783, 1782, then we'll be looking for sales. It is looking good. Damn, this would have been a good entry here on the 4 hour on gold. You have about a 30 pip stop loss. Oh, not even 1-to-1 though. But you wait for closure. So Jay Smith, if you look at this 4 hour time frame, so you see this week, this previous 4 hour bottom wick here, bearish bottom wick here, it signifies a support. Price rejected that zone right there, which means we created a support right there. So you see how my zone is right at the bottom of this bearish wick. So this is how I draw my zones. Now, just because we see this uh, candle flip bearish, now this candle could just come down and fill up this wick, this previous 4 hour wick, and then reject overfeed again and start ranging before we have a break and close above. And at the same time, it could also decide to break and close below this support zone here, even after it fills up this wick. So we just gotta wait and see, because right now we're still in this range right over here. We're still in this range, so we just got to either break and close above or break and close below. So um, if we do take gold, that's gonna be what we'll be doing. All right, I hope that makes sense. Oh yeah, double return on your investment. Yeah, if you freaking double your account, no matter what the size is, yeah, you did very good. Yeah, no bank is gonna give you that. Good morning, Sparkle B. Good morning, Awareness. You can't, what do you mean? You can't find gold with your broker? I don't know what you mean. Good morning, Mugisha. Oh, very nice, Abe. Very, very nice. Yes, Brian, that's great. I know traders that only focus on trading just one pair, just one pair. Yeah, Brian, you can absolutely do that. Yeah, basically, Roshan, yeah, market has been sideways. Yeah.
Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. Telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. 'Cause I don't really like what I got. So I
Uh,
should
if you want me to look at GBP AUD, just send your
Cause
chart
time
to
goes
Discord.
cold.
Link
Cause
to
we can't
Discord is in
run
the
away from
description,
you. Cause we
and
can't
then
run
I'll take a look
away.
at it and give you
Gotta
my own
away.
analysis
This was not a good stay.
because I don't trade GBP
Away.
AUD.
'Cause I do what I do. And it's time for something new. Yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly
Alright, we
away
got like
to
30
one
minutes to
new
London Open here.
space. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Good morning, Mario.
Can make it grow.
GJ is just GJ and EJ very, very messy. Just look at all this craziness. Look at all this craziness here to the left on GJ. Craziness, pure craziness. So sales below 162, 600, yes. And we could potentially, just come down to 162, 100 or 162 and then reject again. But if we have a lot of good selling volume, then we should probably head down to 161, 300 at least. At least. So, we'll see what the market is gonna do. EJ also just kind of look exactly like GJ, except that EJ looks better than GJ, but EJ also just looks too messy. Too messy. But the good thing about EJ is that we could take sales below 137 700 for, and depending on the kind of entry we have, we're gonna have about 30 to 35 pips TP, and who knows, maybe we could even write it down here for about 40 to 50 pips. So we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. So with gold, we possibly will come down and then reject this support here, or we could actually break and close above it. So we just gotta wait and see. You said JPY Asian session was mega craziness. Yeah, right. It really didn't do nothing. I mean, except this move. Came down to this support here, rejected it. You could have taken the buys, but you only like how many pips? I mean, you got at least 20 pips. But I wouldn't have taken it anyways. It just looked like too crazy. Like you got resistance here. You got freaking resistance on support here, support on resistance. You got support here, then you got support here. Like just too many stuff going on. Too many. Just pure craziness on GJ. And sometimes GJ does this though. But JPY is currently weak, so we'll see if the bullish momentum is going to continue.
Take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll.
Do I look at other resources to determine direction? I really just focus on price action, and I look at the news. That's it. I don't look at nothing else. Yeah, Forex Factory. Yeah. Oh no. I don't only listen to hip hop. No, 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 no. I actually when I'm on my own, like I really don't listen to hip hop like that. I just do that because of the stream. I'm not really a hip hop fan. Once in a blue moon, that's when you see me listening to hip hop. And I don't listen to all this new hip hop artist. When it comes to hip hop, I'm old school. You gotta talk to me when you talk about hip hop to me, then you must be talking about Biggie, Tupac, uh, uh, Wu Tang Clan, Run DMC. You gotta be talking about those, not all this trash they call hip hop now. Good morning, Omar. So this candle we're currently looking at EJ has no top wick at all. We could continue, or we could actually flip bullish and then hopefully close above this resistance to have a nice entry for our buys when London opens. So we'll see. We shall see. Doo, 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 doo. Dun, dun, dun. Mm. Come on, guys, smash that like button as you guys are hopping on.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blow my top off. 9-6 by Arsenal. I didn't drive my car home when I drank that charcoal. Man, I miss my mom so. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick a speed, goes pitch black real. Well, you got your thoughts. All the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. I ran around Lake Tahoe. Not once, don't stop, no. Cause I'm a brand new model. With a brand new model. Yeah, I called up Carlos. Said I won't be calling. Instead of my old tempo. It wouldn't make much sense, so yeah. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick up speed, goes to pitch black real. When you got your thoughts, all the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does.
So on GJ, if you look at it on the 1 hour, OG Fat Boy Slim, if you look at it on the 1 hour, let's do this real quick. You have this inner trend line here that was previously broken, all right, and now you have this outer trend line which we're currently rejecting off of, so but if we do break and close above this resistance and above this trend line as well, but then you get this resistance here to the left too at 163,500. Like, I mean, what are you gonna do? For me, buys is actually above 163,800. I prefer buys above 163,800. Except if we have a freaking nice candle that closes above 163 500, then maybe buys could be decent, back to this resistance. But you're looking at about 25 to 30 pips. Except if we do get back to the top of this week just to fill up this previous week here, then you're looking at least 40 pips. So we're rejecting off of the outer trend line right now. No more Zelda, I'm not in a trade. No, I really don't focus on the 5 and the 1 minute. 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame is better for me. All right, we got about 15 minutes here before London opens, so I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a gem.
All right, I'm back, guys. Sorry I took some time there.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like it now. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a gut. I put that on guard when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Good morning, Tato.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your sound. Seeking approval constantly.
You're not late, Tato. We've not taken any trades,
It all makes sense
so you're not late.
put that on gut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
So if you're just joining, you guys are not late yet. We've not taken any trades.
Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl.
Good morning, Eva.
You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Catch a break, better way. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your
And for me to take sales below this resistance here, and if we do break below 137 700, if we do break below, then I'm gonna need to see a bullish candle, and then I need that bullish candle to flip bearish, giving us a top wick, signifying a rejection at this freaking support here, creating a resistance here for a sell continuation to the downside. That's the setup I'm looking for. If I do not see that, I'm probably not going to take the sell. This is EJ. If you can't see it in the middle of the screen, you just got to look to the left. Look to the top left hand corner of your screen, and then you'll see the pair that I'm currently looking at. If I move this up, then you'll be able to see the pair. So we're looking at EJ, I don't want to move it all the way down here. It just doesn't make any sense. Maybe I'll move it here so people can see it. Alright, I'll leave it right here. Alright, looking at EJ, we got a rejection here at this resistance, looking at the 1 hour. OG Fatboy Slim, what's going on with GJ? Oh, you say look at GJ on the 1 hour. Like I said, I prefer EJ. On GJ, I'm not taking sales until it breaks below 162,600. But EJ, I'm willing to take sales below 137,700, 137,600.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm blocked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live in the
We got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes here. Hey, DJPY. It's not doing anything.
Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Red one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat a setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the vire's clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave.
But right now, looking at this on the 5, it's currently looking like a break and retest. So we'll see.
I took a bite at a life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no cinch. Won't stop to the youngest.
1 more minute.
I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Bay boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO. Tell them don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. Hey, look, going, yeah, going, crazy, right, yeah, crazy, yeah, going, crazy, wait, hey, look, going,
30 minutes. So we did not close below. We definitely did not close below.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down.
Alright, so I'm still waiting because this candle did not close below.
I need more.
No, I'm not getting in. I'm not I'm not getting in at all. The previous candle did not close below, so this is the candle right now that I gotta wait and see if it's gonna close below or if it's gonna flip. So waiting for this candle, this current 30-minute candle. See what it's gonna do.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake it. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision. It couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now?
It could still flip. Yeah, it could still flip bullish. And I'm actually considering taking the flip. I'll wait for a closure above. Because what that's going to signify is that we have a break and retest and then a bullish continuation. But we still got to wait and see what's going to happen. Romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simp shit. Won't stop to the youngest he dreams. Wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The fuck is your friendship? I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a fuck if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO. Tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going, hey, look, going, yeah, going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, going, crazy, wave, hey, look, going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, going, crazy, wave. I'm not in yet, guys.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.
I'm not in. I'm not in. So do not take it. Alright, we flip bearish again. So let's move this over here. If this candle, 5-minute candle here, really do flip bearish and close bearish, then I think we're coming down, guys. What's gold doing? Alright, gold is probably just gonna range all through London.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush.
Hey Eli, how you doing?
Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one.
Alright, we could be coming down here, guys.
Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team.
But I'm still gonna wait for my 30-minute closures. Or the 15-minute. See how this 15-minute closes.
When I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side.
This 15-minute candle has 5 minutes, 5 more minutes.
Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, up, fan. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me.
Oh man, 120 people watching and we only got what, 40 likes? Come on, smash that like button, guys.
Keep the moves on tuck.
We just being patient here.
Good, keep the vibes on crush. I know
We being patient.
it's all love. Know it's all love. Show ya. Wish me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch it, oh no, I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying.
Yeah, I mean today is Tuesday.
Be sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
I think we're gonna fall, guys. What program do I use to stream? I use Streamlabs. G looks kind of messy too, but excuse me. If he breaks this support, then it should be heading down. Oh, 15 minutes. Okay. All right, this 15 minute has no top wick at all.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, nah, nah.
I need this 15 minutes to really flip bullish.
See, we was cool right before it hit the fence. But it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these, cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on the song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road. Cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you verb, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you, the haters. People I'm saying get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way,
If you take these shells here, then you gotta take some partials right over here.
That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go.
If you take these cells right there, you gotta take partials here. Alright, think it's doing what I wanted it to do. It's doing what I wanted it to do now. It's doing what I wanted to do. Alright, I needed to push up more. I needed to push up more. If it keeps pushing up here on the 15 minute, and if we eventually fall, that's going to give us a better entry on the 30 minute.
See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on the song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you verb, If I get my little Uzi, they thinking I'm crazy. I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest.
Yeah, with Streamlabs, you're gonna have to choose the paid version if you want to be able to use all these stream overlays that I'm using. If you're using the free version, then you can use all these stream overlays. So what's the point of using it without using the paid version? It's not expensive. It's only like $20 a month, so it's not expensive. Nothing crazy. Yes, it's monthly. You said OBS is good. The thing is, OBS also created Streamlabs. Streamlabs is actually better because it gives you a lot of option, a lot of multiple stream overlays you can choose from. So when it comes to streaming, Streamlabs is better. But if you just want to record and upload, then yeah, OBS is better. So all my YouTube videos, not my live streams, they actually, oh man, we just missed this move on the 15th. Not right now. Looking good under five. She's freaking coming down, boys. All right, we must. You jumped in AJ cells already? Wow, already, even with this support. Well, if I miss out on AJ, I mean EJ, then we can trade GJ below this support.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. And much more lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to
Yes, if I'm unable to enter EJ here, um,
I've been trying to take it slow,
and then
but
I'm
my
gonna look to
patience
get in
low.
GJ
Time you let me know.
or maybe AJ.
Take for you to love, take for you to love me. Yeah.
GU is actually looking good as well.
If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for
Said
you to
GU
love? Take
sales.
for you to love me?
Yeah, you gotta wait for this candle to close. Yeah, I don't think this candle is gonna pull back here.
One step forward,
So
two steps backwards, yeah. Time's out, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Mm. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for
oh,
you to
it's
love,
pulling
take
back.
for you to love
I was wrong.
me?
It's pulling back.
What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah.
I
I've been
spoke too
trying to
soon.
take
It's
it
pulling
slow,
back.
but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Oh man. Yep, I spoke too soon. It's pulling back. Very nice. We got 2 more minutes. Uh, really? It's R&B. How is it gay? It's not gay. Really, David? Okay, I actually don't like this song that's playing. I actually don't like this song that's playing. Damn, you guys don't like R&B? You guys don't like R&B? Dude, I like R&B. Yeah, Miss really, really pulling back. G, you pulling back too. Swear, this time around, if this candle flips bearish and flips bullish again, I'm jumping in the buys. This 15 minute just gave me the confirmation. Hold on, let me see the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour? Ooh! Ooh, 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 ooh. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Wait. Oh man, 20 pips. Oh, hold on. Oh man. Oh shoot. Damn it. Shit. Excuse my language, guys. Oh man. I can't believe I just missed this nice freaking trade, man. Oh. Alright, it is what it is. Damn it. So watch, you see, it's freaking gonna go up here. It might reject again, but we would have got at least 10 pips here. I don't think this is gonna come down anymore. It's not coming down. No, I'm not in. I already missed my entry. I can't get in. Now, I'm gonna just wait until it breaks above, if it breaks above. But man, I would have loved to freaking get in right here. But maybe God is also protecting me. But I don't see this freaking flipping again. If this thing flips bearish again, that's complete manipulation. Complete manipulation. Because we just have a freaking liquidity grab on the lower time frame, and if you look at this on the higher time frame here, we rejected of this minor support here, so we should absolutely go up. That's why I was acting that way, because I would have definitely taken these buys. But if this thing comes down, it's definitely market manipulation, because it really should push up. But so we're still gonna continue waiting here. We have no choice but to wait now. We have no choice but to wait.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on
So
myself.
when you're really looking at the news, the red folders are really what really moves the market when we do have news. For example, I believe tomorrow is Wednesday, and For example, we have CPI tomorrow, New York session for USD is absolutely going to affect the market. And on Friday, on Thursday, we have what is it? We have another one, PPI, New York session, absolutely going to affect the market. And then on Friday, we have GBP. So on Friday, I'm actually going to start my stream 30 minutes early because of this freaking GDP. It's really going to affect GBP. So I want to see if we can actually be able to catch that move, either bullish or bearish. So I really only focus on the red folders. I don't really focus on the yellow and orange folders. Yeah, EJ is gonna push up. So one of the reasons why I really wait for the 30-minute closures, this right here is an example. I'm not saying I don't get faked out sometimes, even me trading on the 30-minute, I do, but I don't get faked out a lot. I don't get faked out a lot. You guys saw when I went to the 1 hour time frame, and when this 1 hour time frame flipped, I would have taken it, but where I wanted my entry to be, it went past above it. Now I wanted my entry to be right over here, right here, right here. This is where I wanted my entry to be, and my stop loss would have been below, right at the bottom of this week. We're looking at about 15 pip stop loss, and we'll almost be out right now. Yeah, this thing is right at 8 pips. Yeah, it should push up. If nothing, it should push up to at least fill up this week right here. And who knows, maybe we'll eventually have a break and close above. So you'll see. If there is no freaking manipulation here, we definitely should push up. We definitely should push up. This is very nice. This 1 hour candle right here, this is very nice to take buys. But I already missed it, so I just gotta wait now. If it comes back, yeah, I'll take this else. But right now, I'm really not expecting it to come back. But if it does, I will take it. If we come back to entry, actually that's a good suggestion, but no. But I'm gonna put it right here, and we'll see if it comes back to where my entry is gonna be. If it comes back, So we'll see if it comes back to entry, guys. Uh, because this 1 hour candle has about 20 minutes to close. Mhm.
'I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go.
122 people watching. We got 60 likes. For each other, showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can wait, maybe it's time, maybe we do. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. It's too late. Maybe it's too late. Did anyone check these buys? Did anyone take these buys based off the 1 hour time frame? Who took it? Anyone?
Waste of words, waste of breath. chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in.
Hold on, did this thing come back to entry?
Gotta think, gotta
Did it come back to entry? I don't think so.
change has to come. 'Cause the light's just around the corner.
Did it come back to entry? Because I was actually trying to take it if it came back to entry. But anyways.
And I'm falling down on my knees. I will rise and try to believe that changes will come.
You came guessing?
It's just around the corner.
Man, I wasn't paying attention, man. Yeah, I missed it too because based off my analysis right now and what happened right here, what happened on the lower time frame, it was nothing but liquidity grab right there, and now they're actually pushing price to where it was supposed to go in the beginning. Now we could get back up to this resistance and then reject again, or we could actually break out of it. So did it went up 10 pips at least right now? I don't know. 9 pips. You took it back at 0.75. Oh man. You were like oh, you were like almost 4 pips away from where the entry was supposed to be. Hopefully it goes up all the way up and fills up this week at least. All right, while we're waiting for, a trade setup here. So if you have a broker and your broker actually sucks, whether you don't have access to MT5, whether you're paying too much spread, you're paying too much commissions, then I definitely do recommend Anchor Trade. Anchor Trade is absolutely the best broker out there, and you can either use MT4 or MT5, but I recommend that you start using MT5 right now. It's better anyways, and very soon we won't be able to use MT4 anymore. And with Anchor Trade, the two account types that I do recommend is ECN or ECN Plus. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. Less than $1,000, go with ECN. Anchor Trade spread start from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. And make sure when you do apply for a matching deposit bonus, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200, and actually make sure it's at least 1 to 200 when you apply for a matching deposit bonus. So if you're interested in signing up with Anchor Trade as your broker, you can use my link down below in the description. All right, let's get back to today's trading. All right, we just gotta keep waiting here. Forever Love, you say you don't trade in your real account until a good trade I shout out. Um, if I had taken this trade, my stop loss would have been at 137.444. If it comes back down here right now, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna let it close because we have 10 more minutes for this candle to close. So I'm just gonna let it close. But it is playing games though.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know.
Yes, I do, but the only indices I trade is NAS 100.
Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
Yes, I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United
Tell me
States.
where's your location? Used to talk 24/7 every
No,
second.
Justin,
Just to make sure
you
we
can
were
integrate Algo
okay.
Trade
Now
to
it's
Traded
closer
View.
to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I
Yeah, I
need
think so,
you
Rohan.
most. We got love guaranteed,
Yeah,
and I have to
it
know,
absolutely would have
say,
damaged the spread.
don't be so hard to reach.
But
Just pick up your
if they did,
phone. Tell
actually,
me
that would
where
have
you
been
be,
cool, man.
cause I
It would
gotta
have made my
know.
trading easier. Cause right now I could just freaking have my buy, sell, everything right here on Trading View. If they ever do that, no more MetaTrader for me. It's gonna be Trading View. always be trading on TradingView. I would actually be using TradingView, but you can only use regulated brokers with TradingView here in the United States, and the leverage is only 1 to 50. Like, no, I don't want that. I need at least 1 to 200 leverage. Anything below that, I don't want it. If I was a beginner and then I have a small account and I'm trying to grow it, then I probably will go with all these regulated brokers, either with Oanda or Forex.com, and then trade on TradingView. All right. And I don't think there's any way. I don't think there's any way around it.
Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night
For those of you that took these buys,
beautiful,
honestly, it's playing too many games. I would recommend that you move your stops to break even. Take
morning
something
waking, heart
or take
still
some partials if you
aching,
want,
something
or
about
just
the
move
way
your
you
stops to
make
break
me
even. It's
feel.
playing
I
too
don't
many
wanna
games.
mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight,
The way
I
this
don't wanna
candle flip, this
trouble
1 hour
you,
candle is enough to
I
freaking
don't
at
wanna
least get
waste
10
no
to
more
20
time
pips
trying to shake the feelings
in 1 hour.
inside. Finally got
But it's
made
playing
up
too
my
many games.
mind. Can't go one more day without you. No,
Gold is still in this
no.
range. It needs to break out of this range.
Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you.
Oh,
Can't
we
go
definitely
one
got
more
10
day
pips now.
without you. No,
Oh no, no, still not 10
go
pips
one
yet.
more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more day. I can't go one more day without you.
It really should fill up this week, man. I like the way it closed though. I like the way it closed. Broke the highs.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of the
With this bullish flip on the 1 hour,
trying to find
if it is gonna reject, it has to fill up this wick. That's the number thing it's supposed to do. But right now, oh yeah, you definitely go. Oh yeah, it's going. Oh yeah, 10 pips already secured. So for the sake of the people that took this, just move your stops to break even.
thought you could escape.
It's filling up the wick just like I predicted.
All the same. Birds fly south for the winter.
It's filling it up. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at it go.
Much was stolen
With no bottom wick.
tonight.
Bam, filled it up.
Rather keep a distance.
Bam, right there, filled it up.
She's drifting away.
Bam, TP smashed.
Drifting away.
And it's still going.
But did the ocean breeze specify you?
Oh boy.
Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the
Damn.
ocean breeze did it right.
Alright.
That you'll never find you on the run from yourself. On the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand.
Alright, even though I didn't take this, I'm gonna still count it as a win, even though I didn't take it. Not a win for me, but I mean, I guess a win for me. It's a win for all of us, even if some of you didn't take it. You know, congratulations to those of you that took it, though.
Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though
Yes,
much
Yvonne.
was stolen,
Yes.
by tonight, no, you don't wanna break.
So this right here is freaking smash 20 pips.
Slipping away from me. But did the
Uh,
breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself. On the run from yourself.
for those of you that are still in right here, you can still leave it running if you didn't close out everything.
Thought the grass was greener. But she was safe all along.
I wish I didn't miss the entry though. So they didn't pull the trigger. Yeah, I would have pulled the trigger. And you know the crazy part? So I was waiting for it to come back to that entry, then I missed it again. Wasn't paying attention. And you guys said it did come back to the entry. You guys said it came back to the entry. Oh, good is flying too.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling. Day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know the
Right now, I'm just hoping this thing doesn't freaking fly to the moon and just leave us because he could freaking do that. He could do that. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Man, this was a oh man. Anyways, I'm anticipating it to at least get to get up here at least. Come on, smash that like button for us, guys. Hi, said shoot to the moon. I know you're happy, Maduleka, huh? You wanted to shoot to the moon? Come on, guys, give me 33 more likes. At least 100 pips. Hopefully in the next 30 minutes we can take buys here. Maduleka said, "Yep, let's go."
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let
I said I'm jealous. I just seen that. No, I'm not jealous. I'm happy.
too upset to drive you? Getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Bet you never
Just refresh, NDO.
think I had about enough. I mean, hold
Just refresh.
me on my bluff. I ain't coming no waiter. You gon' miss this party. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would.
You looking for sales on UJ?
Call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. 'Cause I won't track around, no way. My girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this party. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought.
Yeah, I didn't take EJ. I didn't take it. That's why I didn't send it. I didn't take it. I was too late. By the time I went to the 1 hour to take a look, missed my entry. Then it came back to my entry. And then I missed it again. So I didn't take it.
I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. Don't leave
This candle could actually flip bearish because obviously it has no bottom wick. And if I'm unable to take any trades here during London, then I'm absolutely gonna have to trade New York today. Yeah, because some people took it, so that's why.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside.
No, no,
Too upset to
abs,
drive it.
Absoldo FX, no.
Get on this ride.
That's
I got
strictly for my
the way,
VIP.
don't expect me
I only
to
stream a London session right now
buy me. See you
for
in the
you guys.
morning, but you never
New York,
that I would
Asian, if I
leave.
trade Asian session, those two sessions are strictly for my VIPs.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this party. Too late, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had enough. Hello, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. 'Cause I won't track around, no that way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this party. Too late, I'm sorry.
Alright, guys, I gotta go use the restroom again. I'll be right back.
Call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna need a drama, 'cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this party. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. About enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
Choo-choo.
Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a so say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.
I like this lady's voice. I'm actually gonna only play her songs. What's her name? Tyra Chandler. Tyra Chanty.
Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me.
I like her voice. Her songs is good.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it
You
big.
said that rejection is a dream killer. You mean EJ, not GJ.
Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, big girl jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get no. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. can't leave. Come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to.
All right, I'm back.
I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
Woo.
Don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say
All right, this candle is gone.
when our flowers fade. I'm
This candle is completely gone.
why you blushing? We got sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy.
This candle closes in 8 minutes.
I wanna see it. See how rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already
Oh man.
on my way,
You keep saying GJ, you mean EJ? Or did you take GJ on your own? I love your confidence, man. Luleka, you took a very risky trade here on GJ. Very risky. But your courage and confidence, salute to you. And not me. I said everything is flying out. Damn! What the hell? Look at CJ. Look at CJ and AJ. Because they know really, they have nothing, they really have nothing to do with London. EJ, GJ, look at USD JPY. Really has nothing to do with London. So gold, sometimes it does stuff like this, but it really has nothing to do with London session. But GU, GJ, and EJ, those three pairs, yeah. Malika said he's aiming for the moon. You took the GU buy? But I just want you guys to know one thing. Sometimes you might miss out on trades, and it's okay. It's fine. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. the thing, what you need to ask yourself is, are you waiting for your setups? Are you waiting for your setups? Are you actually following your trading plan? Then if you are, then don't worry about missing out on trades. The reason why I was kind of mad when I missed this EJ entry was because I knew that it should actually go up. So that was part of a trade setup that I do normally take if I do see them. But in this case, I saw it, but I just missed it. But for example, this GJ one that Malika said he took, I absolutely would have taken this one right here. No, no way. Alright, we got 3 more minutes here. Seven, 981. Oh man, looks like I'm gonna miss out on this again. Oh. Right now I have nowhere to put my stop loss, so I'm not gonna take this at the moment. I got nowhere to put my stop loss. I'm good, Michael. Shit, if you're still in EJ, you should probably take more partials. up 30 pips. And there's no way to put my stop loss. Like, my stops would have been too big here. No way to put my stop loss at the moment. Damn. This really looks good on the 5 minute. No, EJ actually does look better than GJ.